Welcome back to Overheat, Ford Transit Campervan 2026. External design. To give the Transit a more contemporary appearance, some adjustments will probably be made to the front grille, headlights, and wheel designs, but the core design will still be identifiable. Windows and ventilation. Factory conversion packages or aftermarket extras will come with windows made especially for campervans. Awnings. It will be typical to see integrated, simple to open awning systems, perhaps with built-in LED lighting. Engines and performance options. For engines, Ford is probably going to keep providing a selection of potent EcoBoost V6 gasoline engines and economical diesel engines. Transmission. Smooth and effective shifting will be provided by the standard 10-speed automatic transmission. Towing and payload. The Transit's remarkable towing and payload capacities will not be altered. The layout and interior of campervans. Kitchenette, portable gas stove or induction, sink, refrigerator, clever storage for groceries and kitchenware. Dining seating area. To make the most of available space, use tables that fold up or are portable. Standard features will include cozy benches with storage underneath. Interior materials. Standard materials will be strong, lightweight, and easily cleaned. The style will be minimalist and contemporary. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot information system BLIS with cross-traffic alert, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for easier maneuvering will be added to the Ford Co-Pilot360. Lighting with cozy ambience will be produced by energy-efficient LED lighting with color selections and dimming controls. Smart control systems. More advanced mobile apps will be available to monitor temperatures, water tanks, battery levels, and to regulate heating and lighting. Solar panels. Incorporating more advanced covert solar panels onto roofs will become standard practice for extra battery charging.